turn it on, I'm going to hold the power button on the left hand side here, hold it down, and there we go, Nintendo logo coming up. All right, first things first, let's choose my language as, for me, it's going to be UK English. I am in Europe at the moment. I don't want to read anything. Internet settings, so you're going to have to connect to your Wi-Fi the very first time. I've got so many. I'm going to use this one first because I'm in the basement. Touchscreen does work, by the way, so you can type everything using the touchscreen instead of using the control pad. Password in, connecting to the internet, good to go. System update, this is the very first system update, so you have to install this once you connect to the internet. I'm going to click next. I'm going to choose London, that's fine. It's downloading data in the background actually, which is really good. So I don't have to stop what I'm doing with the setup. It will simply wait. Basic instructions, play styles. You can use your Nintendo Switch 2 console in a variety of play styles to suit when, where, and how you like to play. For me, again, it's going to be that last one. I'm barely going to be using this in mobile mode. So I'm going to click next. Yep, we've already looked at the dock. That's fine. USB charger goes there at the top. Done. We've already seen how to release the controllers. So that's fine again. It is slightly animated as well, which is quite good. Oh, it's asking me to actually detach Joy-Con 2. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold again that button at the back, which is that one there behind the trigger. Joy-Con 2 as well. I'm going to connect to the TV later. I'm going to snap this back on. I'm going to skip this. Yep, skip that. Ready to start system update. Update complete. Okay, begin system transfer. I've already sold my Nintendo Switch 1, so I don't have anything to transfer. I think I did back my stuff up to the cloud, so I'm going to try to restore that later on. I'm going to go to don't transfer. Time to add a user. Sign into Nintendo account. I'm going to use... I don't need to view details. I'm going to go to OK. I don't need to add another user. I'm going to go to skip. Set parental controls. Nope, skipping that. I don't have a card, so I'm going to skip that. But if you did have a card, if you do have a memory card, that slot is going to be right there. I'm going to go to skip. Setup complete. Press the home button. So on the controller, which I've detached, that's the home button right there. No games installed at the moment, but that's it. That's how you set up your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, after setting up, one of the first things I want to check is how much storage is on this device. So I'm going to use my controllers to go over to settings icon there. Click on that. Probably going to be under data management, and there we go. 232 gigabytes usable. This might drop after a few system updates, but at the moment 230 gigabytes, quite decent I think.